Alrighty, let's get started with our 2019-2020 Panini Prizm Basketball Random Player 1 Blaster Box Break number 3. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5, if I can get my mouse to cooperate. There we go. We've got Fred in the top spot. And let's see who's in the Zion spot in the bottom. And that would be Brian. I'll just cut and paste our list over to the right. We'll sort it by everybody's names. That's the way everybody will know who they have before we start opening packs. We'll blow up our list a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I think that SP hockey will be fun. Rick, I think David finished off all the beer with his steak. I'm doing great, Phil. How are you doing? Alrighty. I guess that's a pretty tall order, Phil. All right, let's open our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. Here are our packs. Pack number 1. Kristaps Porzingis. Goran Dragic. We have a Cam Reddish Instant Impact and a Kabengala rookie. I know I didn't pronounce that right. Pack number 2. Vince Carter, Darius Cousins, Cam Reddish Emergent, and TJ Warren. Pack number 3. Josh Jackson, Karl Anthony Towns, Draymond Green Silver. Looks like there's a little scuff there. I think that's just some sort of material from the previous card. Should buff out just fine. And then a Quindary Weatherspoon rookie. Pack number 4. Spencer Dinwiddie, Evan Turner, Karl Anthony Towns hyped, and DeAndre Jordan. Pack number 5. Allen Iverson, Kyle Anderson, R.J. Barrett Instant Impact Prizm, and Kyrie. Pack number 6. Joel Embiid. We have a Dwight Powell sensational jersey. And then we have a green Prizm of Bojan Bogdanovic. And then our last card is Kevin Durant. Alrighty. Let's go through our list and see who gets which cards. We'll go through our inserts first. Our Karl Anthony Towns Get Hyped insert. If I can remember the alphabet correctly, goes to Fred. Congrats on that. Yeah, it was rough. That was rough. Our Cam Reddish Emergent goes to Daniel. Congrats on that. Also our Instant Impact to the Reddish spot as well. Our Dwight Powell jersey, good gracious, goes to Brian. Congrats on that. Our Quindary Weatherspoon rookie card goes to Lawrence. Congrats on that. And then our Mfiondu Kabengele rookie card goes to Jim T. Congrats on that. Then our Draymond Green silver also goes to Lawrence. Congrats on that. And then our Bojan Bogdanovic green Prizm also goes to Lawrence. Congratulations on that. And then lastly, our R.J. Barrett Instant Impact Prizm goes to goes to Daniel. Congrats on that. Alrighty. Well, that concludes our 2019-2020 Prizm Basketball Random Player 1 Blaster Box break number 3. Thanks to all of you that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks. And we'll be back here in about 5 minutes with our Optic Baseball Choice Random Team break number 1. Thanks again, everybody.